unboxing. Then I don't think it's a new headset, but I just bought it today, and yeah, we're gonna unbox this Xbox headset. It says it comes with an adapter, obviously the headset, and well, it also says in here it comes with a USB cable. I'm pretty sure this is just to connect it. I don't think they're wireless, but we'll see. We'll see. Yeah. So let's try it. Let's open it up. I just bought them today. So as you guys see, it comes well packed up in a nice package. Oh, it comes with an adapter. So this is great. And as it says, it comes with a USB cable. It looks like it's one of those pretty old USB connectors that we used to use before. It also comes with some manuals. Let's see. So it comes with this thing. Also comes with this tape. So basically, it's telling you how to connect the the adapter. I'm trying to close my knife. Let's say hi to Kiwi Pie. Hi Kiwi Pie. How you doing, pretty pie? Huh? He's helping me out to connect my new pair of headsets. And that's it. That's what it comes with. So now let's see. We're going to use the Elite controller. So this is the Elite controller. I don't have all the pedals in here, but I do have them in here. So let's see. Let's turn the TV on and let's check it out. Let's check it out. So, okay, let's turn this thing on. There you go. Let's see if it works. There you go. So, give me 1 second. Let me just open this thing up. Okay. So, we're going to open the headset. So let's see the headsets. Oh, they also come with a headphone jack. They look pretty cool. Kind of big, but pretty cool. So we will see how they look like. I mean, how they sound like. So let me just put this thing on my beautiful face, and then let me just unroll this thing, and then see. The cable is kind of large, so long. So I'm gonna connect the adapter to it. This is the Elite Controller Series 2. It doesn't really need this thing because it's the new version of the Elite controllers. It's the second generation. But since it comes with it, I'm gonna use it. So yeah. Then let me just put this thing in here, plug it in here, and then see if I have sound. Oh, sorry, baby. See if I have sound. Well, let me just figure this out first. Oh, there you go. Very cheap materials. I thought they were like more of, um, brand headphones. They are not. Very cheap materials. So we'll see. Okay, let's put this thing, and then let me just put mute on my TV to here. the sound of it. Wow, they sound pretty great actually. Wow, very nice sound. I highly recommend these headphones. I mean, they cost me around $60, something like that. With taxes included, I think it was about 66 something, guys. So yeah, they sound pretty good. I mean, the quality of the sound is just phenomenal. So I highly recommend you guys to get this thing. So, but let's see. I don't think this thing has microphone on it. I fucked up on that. It says it does, but let's see. Oh, it actually does have a microphone here. Um, yeah. Well, guys, that's it for this video. I'm gonna start doing some reviews on items that I bought or that I will get in the future. So just to keep my honest reaction. And yeah, um, have a nice day, guys. Stay safe. Bye bye. By the way, I'm playing Grand Theft Auto right now, which is great.